Have you ever wondered what it's like to build a $10 million business empire from scratch? Well, let's delve into it. Last year I plunged a cool $1.2 million into my company, Patrique Mercier Recruitment. An eye-popping figure, isn't it? But that's the thrill of the game, staking your claim, putting your money where your mouth is. And this year, I'm looking to double or even triple that investment. Now you might be wondering, why share this information? Why lay bare the financial underbelly of my empire? The answer is simple. I want to give you a glimpse into the heart of my investment strategy, the kind of insight usually reserved for those writing 7- or 8-figure checks. In essence, I'm inviting you into the inner sanctum of my operation. It's not about flaunting wealth or flexing financial muscle. No, it's about sharing the journey, the process, and the strategy. It's about showing you that with the right moves, the right mindset, anyone can turn their dreams into reality. Take a leaf out of the books of Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett. Those guys are the original finance content creators. They've been sharing their wisdom through shareholder letters for decades, providing insights that have shaped the world of finance. I draw inspiration from their openness, their willingness to share their successes and their failures. Now, as we reflect on the past year, there have been triumphs, sure, but there have also been stumbling blocks. Progress is never a straight line. It's a series of twists and turns, peaks and troughs, and more often than not, the biggest hindrances are the ones we place in our own path. But what does it take to get there, and how does one navigate the journey? Not everything that shines is gold, and fame is not always desirable. It's a sentiment that rings true when it comes to my decision to keep my business enterprises largely private. You see, fame has its drawbacks. It's not just about the glitter and the glamour. Behind the scenes, it presents a unique set of challenges. The attention can be overwhelming, and managing that attention can be a task that demands a significant portion of your time and energy. Time and energy that could be better spent nurturing and growing your business. But it's not just the challenges of fame that influenced my decision. I found inspiration in the most unexpected places. The shareholder letters of Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett, two men who many consider to be the original finance content creators, served as a guiding light. Their wisdom and insights helped shape my approach. Inspiration can come from the most unexpected places, like Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett. There's no growth without reflection. As I glance in the rearview mirror of the past 12 months, I can't help but marvel at the journey we've embarked on. It's a tapestry woven with threads of achievements, acquisitions, and ardent efforts at community building. I remember when we first laid the cornerstone of Patrique Mercier Recruitment. With an investment of $1.2 million, it was more than just a financial stake. It was a leap of faith, a commitment to a vision. Today I stand humbled by the exponential growth we've witnessed, and the promise of doubling or even tripling that initial investment doesn't seem like a distant dream anymore. Yet the essence of our journey isn't just encapsulated in the numbers, it's in the stories of empowerment we've been able to write, the lives we've been able to touch. As an entrepreneur, I've always believed in the power of ownership and financial freedom. The past year has been a testament to that belief as we've brought more people into the fold of this empowering narrative. Our community, the lifeblood of our mission, has accomplished incredible feats. We've collectively generated a self-reported revenue of $238 million. We've seen the baton of hundreds of businesses being passed from one generation to the next. These milestones aren't just markers of financial success, they're indicators of a legacy being built, but it's not just about the successes. The missteps and the stumbles have been equally instructive. Every time we've faltered, we've learned. Every time we've stumbled, we've found a new path. It's in these moments of vulnerability that the true strength of our community shines through. It's in these moments that we realize the power of unity, the power of shared dreams. As we gear up for another year of adventures, we carry with us the lessons of the past, the achievements of the present, and the dreams of the future. It's not just about building a business, it's about building a community rooted in shared values, shared dreams, and shared successes. Here's to another year of making dreams a reality together. When it comes to investing, we have a unique approach. Our strategy is not one size fits all. It's tailored to our vision, our goals, and the landscape of the market. We focus on two main types of businesses, each offering its own set of opportunities and challenges. Firstly, we lean into media-accelerated businesses. These are companies that leverage the power of digital media to supercharge their growth. They're nimble, innovative, and when done right, they can scale at a staggering pace. But they're not without their risks. The digital landscape is ever-changing, and it requires a keen eye and a forward-thinking mindset to stay ahead of the curve. Secondly, we invest in what some might call boring businesses. These are your brick-and-mortar establishments, the ones that have been around for years, decades even. They might not have the glitz and glam of their digital counterparts, but they have something equally valuable: stability. These businesses have weathered economic storms, have a loyal customer base, and generate consistent revenue. They're the backbone of our portfolio, providing a solid foundation upon which we can take calculated risks. But it's not just about the type of business. Our investment strategy also hinges on creative financing. We're not interested in sinking millions upon millions into a single venture. Instead, we seek out opportunities where we can invest lower amounts, spread our risk, and still see substantial returns. It's a balancing act, and one that requires careful planning and strategic foresight. Our approach is not the norm. We don't chase the next big thing, the hot stock tip, or the trendy startup. We're not interested in playing the Wall Street game. Instead, we focus on building a diverse portfolio of businesses that align with our values, our vision, and our commitment to long-term growth. And that's the crux of our investing thesis. It's not about quick wins or overnight success. It's about building an empire, one investment at a time. It's about seeing potential where others don't, taking calculated risks and reaping the rewards of patience and perseverance. We don't just follow the crowd, we carve our own path. Every journey has its obstacles, and ours is no exception. We've navigated the turbulent waters of partner selection, knowing that the right partner can propel us forward while the wrong one can set us back. It's a delicate dance, requiring intuition, insight, and a dash of courage. It's not always easy, but it's a challenge we embrace, understanding that the strength of our partnerships is integral to our success. Process, too, is a challenge. It's not the glamorous side of business, but it's the backbone. It's the framework that allows us to function, to grow, to scale. We've been working tirelessly to refine our processes, to streamline and optimize, to build a machine that's efficient and effective. It's a work in progress, as all great things are, but we're committed to the cause. And let's not forget about the ongoing effort to build a strong foundation for the future. We're not just thinking about next quarter or next year, we're thinking about the next generation. We're laying the groundwork for a legacy, for a business that outlives us, that continues to thrive and to serve. It's a daunting task, but it's one we take on with determination and resolve. Our unique structure, too, presents its own set of challenges. With the ability to pass on deals that don't fit our criteria to our large community of potential buyers, we're constantly juggling opportunities and assessing the best course of action. It's a balancing act, but it's one we've become adept at. Looking ahead, we're declaring this the year of sending it. We're ready to make bold moves, to fire big shots, to push the boundaries and defy the odds. We're ready to seize opportunities, to take risks, to chase dreams. We're ready to send it, in every sense of the word. We're not afraid of challenges. In fact, we welcome them. They're the catalysts for growth, the drivers of innovation, the sparks that ignite the flame of progress. So here's to the challenges and here's to the future. We're ready, and we hope you are too. We're not in this alone. This journey, this empire, we've built it together. Each success, each hurdle, we've weathered it as a community, and for that I am profoundly grateful. Your support, your belief in our vision, it fuels our drive, our ambition. It's the wind beneath our wings, the engine behind our momentum. As we stand on the threshold of a new year, our team is brimming with optimism. We're ready to face the challenges, ready to seize the opportunities, ready to push the envelope and reach for the stars. But we need your voice, your insights. We invite you to share your thoughts, your questions as we step into the upcoming year. Your perspective enriches our journey, adds depth to our strategies, and brings us closer as a community. Here's to another year of growth, challenges, and victories. We can't wait to share it with you.